What is going on, everybody? My name is Brian and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go through the Mac Tools August 3rd through August 30th 2020 tool flyer. Now I try to do this on a regular on my channel. I try to go through Mac Tools, Matco, and I've been trying to get a hold of Snap-on. I've been slacking lately, but we're going to get back into it. I'm going to make sure that I continue to keep posting stuff like this. So if you're into this, projects, tool reviews, anything to do with tools, basically, then make sure you subscribe to the channel because that is what I do on this channel. Now, before we start, let me just say that I have been saying for a while that you can only get these tool deals if you're on a tool truck. And I may be wrong about that because I was reading this right before I opened up the flyer. I used to do the actual physical flyer, but I found this to be a much more efficient and better quality way to bring these to you. So I'm kind of new to this whole online flyer thing, but it says right here, want to see more Mac tools. In addition to the thousands of products we offer on our website, you can also check out our monthly flyer and our full line catalog to see all items offered by Mac Tools. If you are interested in ordering from one of these sources and the product is not offered online, please call 800 Mac Tools for assistance. So maybe, just maybe, if you were to call 800 Mac Tools, that you could get these deals from the tool flyer. So if somebody tries that out and it works, make sure you let us know in the comments. But let's go ahead and get into this flyer. On the front, they have the Mac Tools Dynamic Duo. Get this 12-volt max BL spec impact and screwdriver bundle. And it says see inside cover where we can get more information on these. Now, as a lot of you may know, Mac Tools is owned by Stanley Black & Decker, and Dewalt is one of Stanley Black & Decker's tool lines. So these are really similar to the Dewalt. I don't know if there's a huge difference, but the price difference is quite significant. And we see here both of them for $349.99. It's looking like you're going to get two batteries. So I guess that's not too bad, $349.99. Now, like I said, the DeWalts you could get for a lot cheaper. But what I have seen is that these tools are specifically made for mechanics. So they're like more resistant to chemicals and other things. So maybe these would be worth the extra money. But that is the only differences that I really know about. I don't know of any like more power for these, a better warranty for these. I mean, they're essentially all the same, but the price is quite a bit more, like I said. Underneath that, we have 500 lumens. This is a Pro Stick rechargeable articulating light, and it's going to cost you $83.99. Over here, you're going to get this free, a 3/8 drive aluminum air drill, when you buy this 1/2-inch drive aluminum air drill, and both of them are going to be $249.99. Now, if you're a fan of Harbor Freight and you're a mechanic, I honestly do like the Chief air drills. Those are really good air drills, and you can catch them for about $50, $60. So if you're in the market and you're on a budget, definitely check into those. With that being said, you have to be wary about the Harbor Freight 90-day warranty unless you purchase the extra warranty. Okay, now we're going to have some of their RBRT tools. If you guys are new to the channel, then you may have missed that I did a RBRT video where the actual developer of the RBRT line from Mac Tools came to my garage, and we did a video where he demonstrated how these RBRT tools work. And in my opinion, they are the real deal. Okay, it's looking like that this is a 9-piece standard hex T-handle set for $119.99, and then there is a 8-piece RBRT metric hex T-handle set for $109.99, and down here is a 7-piece T-handle RBRT star key extraction set, $99.99. Then we have the 14-piece 3/8 drive combination RBRT hex driver set for $154.99. So they're claiming that you're going to save $20 on these and $30 on those. So next page we have wire cut crimp strip bundle. You get all of this for $94.99. It's looking like you're going to get some strippers, 2 sets of strippers, a wire cutter. So all 3 of those, $94.99, not too bad, $30 a piece. So if you're in the market, then this may be a good time to jump on that, because these tools do come with a Mac Tool lifetime warranty. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not too sure about this, but I know for a fact that these have a lifetime warranty. Down here we have the 14-piece 3/8 drive RBRT metric standard impact hex driver set for $169.99. Over here we have the 3-piece mini electrical tool kit for $62.99. Next page, you're going to get this free when you buy this. This is a 10-piece quarter-inch drive standard socket set, and when you buy this 27-piece quarter-inch drive metric socket set for $103.99, you're going to get that for free. That's not a bad deal at all. You're going to get a metric and standard quarter-inch drive set with a ratchet, and it looks like a little nut driver screwdriver for $103.99. Can't beat that, honestly. Over here, the extractor bundle, $79.99 for all of this. You're going to get the 5-piece spiral flute screw extractor set, the 5-piece straight flute extractor set, and the 5-piece left-hand mechanics length cobalt drill bit set for $79.99. Not too bad. Down here, you will get this free, a 13-piece cobalt drill set when you buy this 12-volt 3/8 drive brushless drill driver set for $271.99. It's not too bad, but like I said, the Mac Tools drill, you could get the XR bare tool for like $100, and if you're already in the Dewalt cordless line, then you have batteries, which is a good thing. That's why I always push to choose a tool line that is expandable, that you can just buy a core set of batteries and then you don't have to keep buying expensive sets with chargers that you don't really need anymore. So that's why me personally, I'm a fan of Milwaukee. They have the biggest line and the most complete line out there today, in my opinion. Okay, over here, when you buy this high performance air impact wrench, $449.99 3/8 drive, you're going to get this deep impact socket set for free. Honestly, this air impact, I don't know about the 3/8, but the 1/2 inch is the best that I've ever used. They are amazing. So I would imagine that the 3/8 is just as good. Now that is expensive, but like I said, these are really good air impacts. They come with this little LED ring that's rechargeable, and it comes on and off of the impact, and I'm really surprised that more air tools do not offer this, considering that all cordless tools have, pretty much all cordless tools have some sort of LED light. And when you're a mechanic, you know, you're down there and you're looking up in places that's dark. A lot of times you're having to use flashlights and everything else, and to have something like this, they are really bright, is a must-have in my opinion. Okay, here's your ball joint service bundle, $349.99. Now, these are a lifetime warranty, made in the USA. Even the cups are a lifetime warranty. So they're claiming you save $169.99 right now. And in my opinion, $350 if you're in a mechanic, if you're in the automotive industry, then definitely buy a good ball joint press. I mean, I have bought the Harbor Freight ball joint press once, and they, as you may know if you're here, they're not, in my opinion, they're not very good. I bought one, did one ball joint, it bent, took it back, exchanged it, did the other ball joint, and it bent, and I didn't take it back in time. I assumed it was a lifetime warranty, but it's one of the tools that's only got a 90-day warranty, so they wouldn't take it back, so I'm pretty much stuck with that. Okay, down here is the 40-inch spider creeper for $99.99. Over here, the master inner tie rod tool, $172.99. Tie rod service bundle, $149.99. Now, if you don't own these pickle forks for your air hammer, I'm telling you, get a set of pickle forks for your air hammer. They have so many different uses. Down here, when you buy this air-powered grease gun for $142.99, you're going to get this free grease joint rejuvenator. Next, we have some utility carts, and here is their Edge 4-drawer top chest workstation. As per usual, they do not have the prices of these in this book. Now, they do have the prices in the Cornwell book, which I also do Cornwell books and Matco books. I'm definitely going to have those coming up soon, so keep an eye out for those. But like always, they have the Get More with Mac Credit, because if you buy something like this, man, unless you've been saving up for a while, you're pretty much going to need to get it on credit because they're expensive. I do believe that these tool carts right here, the red one, will probably cost you about $1,000 to $1,500. They are good tool carts though. Next, when you buy this long reach needle nose gripping plier set, you're going to get this long reach needle nose plier set for free for $123.99. 5 of these. That's definitely worth it. If you're at the point to where you need something like this, then I believe that this would be a good time to snatch those up. Over here is the precise measuring bundle, $99.99. You're going to get the micrometer and the dial calipers, digital. Down here, the hammer, punch, and chisel bundle, $269.99. You're going to get the little ball peen and all of these chisels and punches. Now, these are a lifetime warranty. If I'm not mistaken, I have a set of chisels and punches with the handle on them that I bought for $99.99. That was a great deal on there, and they are a lifetime warranty. So for $269.99, I mean, if you're looking, then I guess you could save $364.99. Over here, resist shop chemicals and kinking. Looks like it's a 3/8 hybrid polymer air hose, 50 foot, $70. And remove plastic oil pan drain plugs with ease, $52.99. The extra long fixed flex wrench set. This is the 10-piece standard ratcheting wrench set. $329.99. I got the Icon set similar to this, and those are about they're in between $100 and $150. So definitely gonna have a review of those coming up. Hopefully they're pretty good. Okay, the cut and weld bundle, $4,784. You're going to get the little MIG welder and the plasma cutter. Now, these are made by a company, I think it's like Longevity or something. You can actually, Matco Tools and Mac Tools, their welders look almost exactly the same. And you can find them for probably half the price that they're selling them for. But like I said, you're going to get the credit on the tool truck. So that's how they sell a lot of their stuff. Okay, when you buy this OBD2 scan tool for $109.99, they're going to give you the Mac Tools hat for free. And as a lot of you may know, I'm a big fan of the Mac Tools hats. I have about 6 of them, I think. And down here is the 1/4-inch drive axis metal handle ratchet, $97.99. The 1/4-inch drive axis comfort handle. And both of those are 9-inch ratchets, so $103.99, a little bit more for the comfort grip. Over here is the 7-piece 3/8 drive standard universal non-slip socket set for $199.99. They're claiming you save $79. Okay, now we're going to get into their clothes. And like I said, I do like the Mac Tools hat. I have this one, maybe this one. These two look pretty similar, but I do own this one and this one. Those styles are my favorites. I kind of like this style. And also they had the Mac Tools black on black that I like. And now we're going to get into their shirts. We'll just scan through real quick because they're usually pretty much all the same. But they do have a new one here called Quarantine Garage. That's a pretty good name for a garage if you're thinking about starting one, especially in these times. And some of their skull shirts. Up here is a new high-vis green Bluetooth beanie. $29.99 for that. It's pretty good. I mean, those are nice if you're working, you know, a lot of shops have heat, but, you know, it's pretty cold regardless. And you could wear one of those. And if they make a big deal about, you know, wearing headphones, you could sneak that in. I'm not trying to get you in trouble or nothing, but that is something that I've done in the past. Now we're going to get into their hoodies. And here's the 10mm missing in action. Here's some of their jackets. Looks like $99.99. Then you got some of their button-up Mac Tools shirts, their turbo shirts. Here's some of the women's leggings. You can get those for your girl, or if you're a girl mechanic, you may be into it, or you may be a guy that wears women's leggings. I don't know. I don't judge. And a couple more girls' shirts, long sleeve, and a jacket. Up here we have the 10x10 pop-up tent, the Mac Tools folding chair, the Skull Bluetooth speaker. I bought this. I own it. I dropped it, shattered it. $49.99. You know, it works pretty decent, but in my opinion, man, you would be better off just to buy a sound bar, honestly, for that price. But if you like it, if it looks cool, I mean, it does look cool. So if you're into that, then like I was into it, then $49.99 for you. The high-vis neon clock, $119.99. Looks like we got, here's the 10mm koozies. I like those. Pretty neat idea. Here's some wireless Bluetooth headphones. Oh my God, they're selling mass, bro. Jeez. Here's the wallet, the belt, and there's some socks. Then we have some kids' toys. As a lot of you may know, I will be having a son here. He's due in about 3 weeks, so he'll definitely be getting some tools from these tool trucks. And we're on the back cover. This is a 16 tools in one with light. So Mac Tools multifunction tool with the LED, $44.99. boot your tools. So now they have some boots. Snug fit, prevents slippage, and color helps identify your air tool. So if you need some boots for your tools, there you go, $20, not a bad price. So that's going to be it on this video. But like I said, I got the Cornwell coming, Matco coming, and a whole bunch of other stuff coming. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell because YouTube will not notify you when I upload a video. So make sure that you hit that bell. I appreciate all of you. Till next time, stay real.